Climbing is a perfect combination of cardio conditioning meets strength training, upper body, lower body, all the major muscles working together.
It's going to be the first vertical climber ever with a large format screen and an on-demand library of fitness classes.
You'll be able to see everything from your heart rate to calories burned, stroke length, tempo, duration, and we've really jam-packed Clmbr with a world-class features.
The human body is made to move, and we wanted to create a machine that can move with it. We created Clmbr Connected not only as a platform that users could reach on-demand content, but as an ecosystem that they can engage with the community, compete, and visualize all of their metrics and progress.
What we set out to do is really reinvent and reimagine what we could offer the world in the way of a climbing device.
Clmbr Connected is a library of classes from 5 minutes to 45 minutes long. You'll be able to get off and access resistance-based trainings.
What we're all after is accomplishing more in less time.
We'll be there every step of the way to help push you, help motivate you, and help you get the best results that you can possibly achieve.